Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's crop tool. First, select the image that is on your design, and the first option to crop is head up to the top toolbar and select crop. And here you can use the aspect ratios provided here. So you can choose the freeform crop, original, 1 by 1, 16 by 9, 9 by 16, and so on. So many dimensions here that you can choose from. It depends on what you're designing. Cancel that, open that up again, because now you can even choose a smart crop, and here it provides an accurate dimension here that you can use. Select done, and this is what it looks like. Now the freehand tool is you can simply drag on any one of the four sides and crop the image to whichever dimension that you want to trim unwanted parts. You can also do shape cropping. So this is where you head over to the left panel and select elements. And here you can type in shapes, then select frames, and now you can choose to put your image inside of the frame. If you no longer want the image inside of this frame, you can undo, or the sensible thing to do is to two-finger click on the image and select detached image, and now the image is outside of the frame. This also reset the crop, and that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.